Welcome, tech lovers. Today, we're diving into the 77-inch LG G4, the latest marvel in LG's OLED TV lineup. This behemoth boasts enhanced brightness, faster performance, and a groundbreaking 144Hz refresh rate. Join me on this journey as we unbox images and delve into the initial impressions of this cutting-edge TV, freshly launched in the UK. First and foremost, let's address the sheer brilliance of the LG G4. From the moment I laid eyes on it, I was mesmerized by its luminosity. Whether you're indulging in cinematic experiences or immersing yourself in intense gaming sessions, the G4 delivers an unparalleled visual feast. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's a lot to unpack here, both figuratively and literally. Upon receiving my G4, courtesy of a pre-order from the LG website, I was pleasantly surprised to find it accompanied by a complimentary LG GX soundbar, a testament to LG's commitment to customer satisfaction. As I delve into my full review, I'll be sure to provide an in-depth analysis of this bonus edition. Now, let's crack open the box and see what treasures lie within. From the sleek LG OLED branding to the formidable A11 processor, every detail exudes sophistication and innovation. And let's not forget the pièce de résistance, the wall bracket. Whether you opt for wall mounting or prefer the versatility of a tabletop stand, LG has you covered. Speaking of wall mounting, let's take a closer look at the rear panel. With strategically positioned ports and cable management solutions, the G4 ensures a clutter-free setup, allowing you to focus on the immersive experience it offers. And while the power cable may be hardwired, a minor inconvenience in the grand scheme of things, it's a small price to pay for the marvels that await. Now, let's talk specs. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, including support for 4K 144Hz and VRR, the G4 is a gamer's dream come true. And for those craving cinematic indulgence, the inclusion of Dolby Vision and HDR10 support ensures a visual spectacle like no other. I completely agree that the G4 is a versatile TV that can cater to the needs of a cinephile, gamer, or casual viewer. Amazingly, the Alpha 11 processor has increased the processing speed by 30%, which has resulted in smoother performance and enhanced image quality. It's a TV worth considering for anyone who wants a great viewing experience. But enough about specs. Let's talk about the real star of the show, the viewing experience. From the jaw-dropping brightness to the unparalleled color accuracy, every frame comes to life with the LG G4. And let's not forget about gaming. With support for 144Hz refresh rate and HDMI 2.1 connectivity, the G4 ensures a gaming experience like no other. But don't just take my word for it. Stay tuned for my full review, where I'll delve deeper into audio quality, motion handling, and everything in between. I believe that a thorough review is essential in providing a complete understanding of a product, and I'm looking forward to sharing my insights with you. Whether you're a proud owner of the LG G3 contemplating an upgrade or a newcomer to the LG ecosystem, the G4 promises to redefine your viewing experience. In conclusion, the LG G4 OLED 77 is more than just a TV. It's a testament to LG's unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence. I couldn't agree more. The possibilities for home entertainment these days are truly exciting. With so many advancements in technology, we can enjoy movies, TV shows, and games like never before. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us in terms of home entertainment. Let's embrace this new era and make the most of it.